Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send secret messages on BiP Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open any conversation and tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on secret message and select the duration that your message will disappear and tap on apply. So now I'm going to sending a message here, and here you can see the countdown has been started, and after 3 seconds the message has been deleted. And if you want to stop the secret message, then tap on this three dot icon again and tap on secret message, and now select off and tap on apply. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.